Hi, sweet kids. It's Mrs. Rohrig. We are going to start our literacy routine. So in order to start, we're going to stand up. Make sure you're loud and proud and ready to do our motions with us. Here we go. Abby is sad. Is A. Wah. A says A. B is baby. B is B. C says K. C says K. C says K. Cat. Meow. D. I'm a digging dog. D. I'm a digging dog. D is D. Eddie loves his teddy and Eddie loves E. E says E. Froggy loves flies. Froggy loves flies. Is F. G is goat. G is G. Happy. I am happy. Is H. I. Iggy loves her wiggy and Iggy loves I. I says I. J is jumping. J is J. K kissing kangaroos. K kissing kangaroos. K is K. U is loud lion. U is L. M is mean monster. Is M. N is nice. The sweet kids are nice. Is N. A is opera. Is O. Opera. O says O. Popcorn, please. Is P. Qua is queen. Plop. Qua is Q. Your Highness. No rain at recess. Is R. I am smart at school. I am smart at school. Is S. Teacher. Mrs. Rohrig is my teacher. Is T. Fussy, funny, Lucy's underwear. Is U. V is violin. V is V. W is watermelon. W is W. X says X. X says X. The X-rays in the box. Y is yakking. Y is Y. I will not yak today. Hi ho the dairy-o, I will not yak today. Z is zipper. Zip. Z is Z. Okay, right after our phonics dance, we go straight into our hunks and chunks. So go ahead and continue to stand up. When you see a double E, say E. It's a bumblebee party. When you see a double E, say E. It's a bumblebee party. Da. O-W, out and O. O-W, let it snow. This is a thorn and that is a thistle. T-H, T-H, O-R, or, O-R, or. I want more fish. O-W, ow. There's a cow going down, D-O-W-N. That's the way to get down. Oh, yeah. Sheep love it quiet. S-H, sh. S-H, sh. The king of Ing loves to do a jumping dance. I-N-G, ing, ing. I-N-G, ing, ing. O-O, ooh. O-O, ooh. I like school. When you see ed at the end of a word, you say ed, d, or t. But it's O-Y, oi, oi. O-Y, boy, at the end of a word. Boy. You take a scaredy cat E and a scaredy cat A, put them together, and what do they say? E! W-H, w. It's a question word. Who, what, where, why, when, and which. Car, C-A-R. Stick your arm in a jar of stars. A-R, R-R-R. A-R, R-R-R. O-A, O-O-O. O-A, O-O-O. Floating on a boat. Chickens love to cha-cha. C-H, ch. C-H, ch. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha, balk. Cha-cha-cha-cha-cha, balk. At the end of a word, A-Y, A-A-A. Hey, do you want to play? Swish, score, hooray! Happy New Year! E-W, ooh, ooh. All right, nice job. We're going to go to our word family slam. So get your hands up in the air. Here we go. At. It. Et. At. Ut. An. In. N. Un. Ag. Op. Ig. Ed. Ub. Ad. All right, after our word family slam, we go right into word sight words. So, just like we normally do in our classroom, we're going to stay standing for one word and sit down for the next word. Make sure you say the word, even if you don't know it right away. Say the word after you hear your friends say the word, so you get to learn the word too. If you would choose not to stand up and sit down, please sit down the whole time. Here we go. All right, awesome job, sweet kids.